Alright guys, we got a 2015 Hyundai Elantra in for a tune-up. All you need to do this job is a 5/8 socket, spark plug socket, ratchet, extension, a 10 mil, and if you have an electric device, yeah, and then you can't forget your dex finger light. So I was gonna go ahead and start by pulling out the plugs. Perfect. Then you got 10mm bolts holding all the coil packs in. I like to use my 1/4" electric snap-on ratchet. This thing's amazing. But we can go ahead and start by coils. Then you can pop out all the coils. Ooh, that one's in there. That's the one that was missing too. All right, so here's all 4 coil packs. Now let's take the plugs out. This 5/8 socket and the extension's all you need. And then your ratchet. All right, so I got all my spark plugs gapped to where they need to be. Go ahead and fire them in. All right, so let's just go, and I like to just kind of drop them down in there. Sometimes you can use a magnet, but I get my finger down in there and just kind of carry it all the way down into the cylinder, you know? And then they're in. All right, now go ahead and tighten them up with your hand. I like to hand tighten them first until they're just about ready to, like that. And then take your ratchet. That's pretty much it. We'll go ahead and do that with the rest, and that'll be it. These were the old plugs. Pretty bad. But yeah, that's a tune-up. We'll go ahead and finish putting the new coil packs in, tighten everything up, and the job will be done.